Little storyteller.
Ethan loved his fluffy bunny toy, Benny. Benny had soft white fur and long, floppy ears. One sunny morning, while playing in his bright blue bedroom with yellow curtains, Ethan accidentally pulled one of Benny's ears almost all the way off. Ethan felt a little sad. Benny looked lopsided. Ethan looked around his room. He saw his colorful toy blocks, a stack of picture books with shiny covers, and a roll of bright red tape on his desk. The tape was sticky and strong. An idea popped into Ethan's head like a bubble. Carefully, Ethan took a piece of the red tape. His little fingers worked slowly but surely. He gently put Benny's ear back in place and then stuck the tape around it. The red tape looked a little bit like a cute bandage on Benny's white fur. Now Benny's ear was fixed. It wasn't perfect, but it stayed on. Ethan hugged Benny tightly. Benny's fluffy fur felt soft against his cheek. Ethan smiled. He had used what he had to solve his problem. That's being resourceful. Ethan and Benny continued their day of play. They built a tall tower of blocks and read a story about a brave little bear in a cozy forest with tall green trees. Even though Benny had a red bandage on his ear, he was still Ethan's best friend. Being resourceful means you can often find a way to make things better using what's around you.
Please subscribe. Thank you.